Welcome back to the Skid Factory. Today we're down at All Japanese Classic Day. Marek's been running this event for over 10 years now, and we've been invited down to bring the Hako down. We've got the merch stand set up. We've got Mitch from Sunny Coast Auto Detailing and the beautiful Zoe over there helping us out. Mitch has absolutely transformed this car. It's been sitting in the shed. It was covered in dust and just grime. It's looking $1 million right now. Mitch actually just gave it a little polish over before. We've got it on display. Hey guys, how you going? It's looking good. There's a bunch of cars down here. This event is pretty much showcasing Brisbane's, I would say probably Southeast Queensland's best JDM cars. Everyone comes down and just an awesome variety of cars. So we're here all day. I'm selling some merchandise. I have got a competition running, which I'll tell you guys a bit about later. We've got some Raceworks goodies to give away, some spanners. So what we'll do is I'll walk around with the camera, do a bit of a music montage showing off you some cool cars, and then I'll tell you about the competition. Hey Johnny! Hey buddy! Alright, so that's a bit of a walk around the oval. Kind of biased, I suppose. There's kind of just cars that I see that I think that are cool. So what I want you to do is comment below the car that you like the most out of all of those. What we're going to do is we're going to track down the person who's the most popular, and we're going to give them the set of these AN spanners. We've got a set of AN spanners. We have got the AN vice jaws and an AN shifter. So comment below, the most popular person's going to get a set of these. Let us know. I've also want to do a bit of an interview thing too. So I'm going to walk around and ask some people what they want to invest in, what they want to race, and what they want to daily drive. So we'll see if we can get some answers. Hey Peter, I got a question for you.
Oh, yep.
Out of all the cars here, you've got 3 choices to make. You've got to invest in one, you've got to race one, and you've got to daily drive one. What are you picking?
Investment, Hulkasuka, but it's ruined as a classic. Race one, the not Toyota Crown / beige Volvo, and daily it's going to be the V12 Cressida of the half.
Yeah, nice man. Good on you. Thanks, dude.
That's what's up.
Hey, Mr. Adam.
Oh, hello.
I've got 3 questions for you. Out of all the cars here, you've got to pick something. You've got to invest in one, you've got to race one, and you've got to daily drive one. What are you picking?
Crap. I don't know. Race one, it's got to be a rotor.
Yep.
There's a couple down. RX-7.
Sure.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect.
Daily, probably. It couldn't be the Hako. That'd be an effort.
Too wild. Too wild.
Mate, I don't know. Everything seems a bit Toyota around here.
What about that beautiful ute over there?
Yeah, well, I'm going to have to daily that pretty soon, I think. It's been nearly 2 years on it, so it will be.
All right, what are you investing in?
Investing in... I like to go for things that are a little bit not quite there yet. So, mate, it's not here on an all-Jap day, but some kind of old Ford, I tell you.
Yeah,
That's what you've got to look at. But Japanese-wise, everything's already gone. What do you buy? I don't know, Pajero?
Maybe.
I've got my Corolla.
Okay, Corolla. What are you doing? Are you investing or racing that one?
I've got both. Does that count?
Is that all three?
I have one for racing and one investing.
Okay.
if there's any left with the rust.
I got merchandise over there, guys. Free stickers if you show me you subscribe. Get amongst it. Get some merch. Hey, Dave.
Hey, brother.
I've got a question for you. Out of all the cars here, you've got to pick one. You've got to invest in one. You've got to race one. You've got to daily drive one. What are you picking?
Oh, actually, well, just because I didn't even think I had a JDM car and I left the Integra at home, I was checking out an Integra up there with the Turbski on it.
Okay,
so yeah, I'll race that for a bit of fun.
Okay, then what are you investing in?
What am I investing in? Oh, jeez, that's really hard.
On the spot?
Yeah, on the spot. I don't know. Jeez, mate. I guess probably, I don't know, it's a nice RX-7 or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, go that way.
Wicked. And what are you going to daily drive?
Daily drive. I'll just steal Tyler's R33 and just pitch that. He's not using it at the moment. Why are you not using your R33, Tyler? Why did Paige have to drive you here? Oh, sorry, he did not even mention that.
Hi, Naomi. Bye. Bye. Hey, before you go, you got 3 cars to pick. You got to invest in one, you got to daily drive one, and you got to race one. What are you picking?
That's here.
Yeah.
Any of the Corollas?
All right. Is that the answer for all 3?
Actually, there's a 120Y down there I like, a 4-door one.
Okay, would you invest in that, would you?
No, definitely not. Definitely not.
Cheers, bro. See you, man. All right, so I've been asking the 3 questions: invest, daily drive and race, but it kind of gets a bit hard being on the spot. So I'm changing it back to 1 question, and that's just going to be just invest. So we'll see if we get some answers. And it'd be cool to see what people pick. Probably, I know someone's going to say the Hako because it is a cool car, and I would probably invest in that. I mean, maybe 10 years ago, but I don't know. We'll see what some people say. Hey John, out of all the cars here, you got to invest in one. What are you picking?
Oh mate, it'd have to be the Hako for sure.
You reckon? Alright, excluding the Hako, come on.
I can't have the Hako.
Okay.
There's a dude down there that's supercharged this KE30, and it's just like a blow-through carby thing, and I don't know, it's just cool, it's different.
You'd like that thing?
Oh, big time.
Alright, wicked, cheers.
He's got a cracking mo too, so I think you sold me over with that.
Thanks John, cheers man.
No worries mate, have a good one.
Hey, can I please just grab 1 large Hako shirt, a stubby cooler, hat, and some stickers?
You've got to stand in on the job, mate.
Mitch wants to leave the tent.
I'm having smoke though, and you come with the camera.
The old Skyline.
The Hako? Yeah, okay. Yeah, wow.
And the other one I do like was your red MR.
My AW11.
Yeah.
That's gone now, mate. Sorry.
Oh, sad face.
And it's probably, that would have been a good investment to hang on to, but you can't keep them all, man. You can't keep them all.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's a big one.
Show me your big clutch.
It's the same one as we've got.
No, it's bigger.
Thanks, man. Oh, it's heavy. Yeah. Hey, Luke.
Hey, man.
Out of all the cars here, you got to invest in one. What are you picking?
That FJ powered 510.
Okay.
It's hot. The Volvo.
The Volvo?
Only the Volvo. It's the way to go.
I think that Hilux.
The Hilux? Yeah?
Yeah, the yellow Hilux or the Pajero.
What are we picking?
There's a nice 200B over there, I saw.
200B. Okay. 200B. Nice,
Not
nice.
much rust, yeah. The price of scrap metal's gone up.
Oh, hey, by the way, I'm selling some wheels. 4x100 work equips, 14x7 neg 3, 14x8 neg 15. How about you slide in my DMs? Hey Peter, I've re-engineered the question. 1 question. What are you investing in out of all the cars here? Yeah. Invest.
It'd have to be a 32 GTR 93 model V-Spec. It's one over there.
Okay, nice. That black one? Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, good answer. Thanks, bro.
Smart.
Hey, before you leave, we've got a question for you. Yeah. Out of all the cars here, what would you invest in?
Probably an old rotary, maybe.
An old rotary?
Yeah.
All right, sweet. Thanks, guys. Cheers.
Probably the black skyline and everything.
Yeah, 32 GDR, yeah.
The blue crown wagon over there is sick. Just
Yeah,
looks awesome.
yeah, hell yeah. Good choice, I love it. Cheers, man, thank you. Hey, Marek, how you going?
Good.
I've got a question for you. Out of all the cars here, what car are you investing in?
Investing in, as in, I like the Hako.
Yeah.
I haven't had a chance to look the rest of them out.
Okay.
A bit busy with the show, but
Yeah.
you never know.
Yeah. You've been running this for 10 years now, is it?
I've run the club for 25.
So that's 7 of clubs, yeah?
Yes.
Yep. You've been doing All Japanese Classic Day though?
The Classic Day and the All Jap Day. So that All Jap Day is on the 26th of June.
Yep.
So it's a bigger show.
Yep. That's at Lakeside, no?
No, like same location as here.
Oh, okay.
Just the All Jap Day.
Okay, rightio.
So remember that date, people.
All right, 26th of June.
That's it.
Thanks for having us, man. Really appreciate it. Cheers,
Not a
dude.
problem.
Thank you.
Hey, look at this. Got some merch, man.
Get some merch.
Merch.
Ooh, rotary. Hey man, I got a question for you.
What's up?
Out of all the cars here, which car would you invest in?
Invest in?
Yeah.
Oh, the Hako, for
The
sure.
Hako, you reckon? Nice car, man. Love it. Cheers. See you, dude. Yeah.
Maybe a 1600?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice, man. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks, dude.
Thanks, buddy.
Hey, bro. Hey, brother. I've got a question for you. Out of all the cars here, what would you invest in? This one?
Yeah.
Cheers, man. Sounds sick. Hey, nice shirt, man.
Hello, how you going, buddy?
I got a question for you. Out of all the cars here, what are you investing in?
I'd love to invest in the Hako.
The Hako, rightio.
Gotta be. I'd love to.
All right. All right, and you guys, what are you going to invest in, man?
Same.
The same, the Hako?
Yeah, I reckon.
All right. Very popular choice, the Hako. Everyone else is revving their cars, why can't we?
Race. Oh, we got a sandal.
Hey! Hey Anthony, how are you, mate?
Not bad, buddy.
Out of all the cars here, you got one to invest in. What are you picking?
Out of all the cars?
Not the Hako, not the Hako.
Ooh, I don't know. I'm a GDR fan.
Yeah?
But
Yeah.
what was that, an extra one?
You don't let a redraw. I want a answer and I want a new answer.
Come on, come on. What do you-
Actually, I'd probably invest in an XY GT and it's not his.
Okay then, so out of the question. All right, what are you investing in, Will?
I would probably invest in a Supra.
Yep.
With here. Old mate Jay's.
Yep.
I would want to race Hoff's Corolla.
Okay.
And a daily, I'll keep what I got again.
All right, there you go. Hey Leon, you got one car to pick to invest in. What are you picking?
Nissan Micra.
Nissan Micra. Perfect. Nice choice,
There you
man.
go, perfect.
Oh, hey! Hey, nice shirt, man.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, I got a question for you. Out of all the cars here, what are you investing in?
I'd go with the Micra down there, the battery powered one.
The Micra? Yeah, okay. Electric Micra.
I thought that was pretty freaking cool.
Electric is the way of the future. Good investment.
Unfortunately, but
Yeah.
I'd rather an ISF Lexus, but...
Oh, yeah, wouldn't we all? Cheers, man. Thank you.
Oh, investing. Probably that.
Hako?
Yeah, probably one of them.
All right.
Try and get a cheap one. Get one for $1,000 and do it up.
Good luck with that. Hey, bro, I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Out of all the cars here, what are you investing in?
There's so many good ones. Probably
Hako?
right behind you.
Cheers, man.
I did like the one at the back too.
Yeah, that coupe's nice, eh? Yeah, sweet. Nice car, man. Cheers. See you, dude.
One of the Skid Factory boys.
So what's he's won an award, has he?
He's done an
Won the
award.
award, brother.
Here you go. You're welcome.
Hey!
Don't go anywhere just yet.
Hey, out of all the cars here, you got to invest in one. What are you picking?
Huxka.
Yeah?
For sure, man.
Righto.
Why wouldn't you? Huxka's the way to go.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Box Skyline.
Hell yeah, love it. We're going to wrap it up there. Gav's just taken out an award for Promoter's Choice, so pretty cool to win that. And we've had an awesome day. Thanks to everyone who's come around and bought some merchandise, whoever's grabbed the free sticker by subscribing. Really appreciate it. Cool to say hi to everyone, cool to meet a lot of people. Don't forget that I have got a set of nice 4x100 work equip 01s for sale. Get amongst them if you've got a 4x100 car. And also don't forget to comment about which car you like the most here, and then we're going to track the most popular car down and give them a Racework set of AN spanners. Thanks for joining us today. I've had a lovely time down here. Thanks Marek for putting on such an awesome event. Love coming down, looking forward to possibly coming to the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers. Yee! And someone asked me before, what car would I invest in? And I'm gonna have to say the GC8, RA GC8 that I saw before. I reckon they're a worthy investment. Actually, I've changed my investment idea. I'm gonna pick Adam's RN85. Is that right, RN85?
YN65.
YN65, which is I know my Hiluxes, don't I? Hang on, you'll have this for sale soon, won't you, mate?
Yes, I will, mate.
All right, Adam, flip my ride, check him out on YouTube. I'm gonna link his thing in the corner. Beautiful car. Nice resto done on it. Absolutely beautiful. This would be a good car to invest in for sure, 100%. Let us know in the comment section actually, what are you going to invest in? Because I'd be keen to know. Hey Mitch, what are you investing in, mate?
Oh, I'm a Dado man. I like that 1200 that was here.
Did I ask you that before? No, 1200, you've been thinking about this all day.
All that, I did. I got briefed on it before, and that 808. I've only been allowed to leave the tent once. So.
Actually, the 808 over here?
Yeah, that one's probably my pick, I reckon.
Yeah, perfect. Thanks, man. Cheers.
Well.
Yeah, I do like it.
So 3.
So wait a second, you're allowed, what, Nabi's on a Z, but not allowed on the Hako?
Because everyone on the Hako.
As you wouldn't sell them.
Yeah, I did try to buy them.
Yeah, 4-star, they won't work.
I tried to buy these at one stage.
So this is a 3.2.
3.4.
Bonnet hub might come in handy.
It might come in handy.
Oh man. No, I don't want to get a
nice. 3.2.
3.4, don't sell me short.
3.4. Jeez.
RB30 crankshaft, offset ground, Honda B16, Eagle Forge conrods, custom CP pistons.
Wowza.
Head's been moved over.
Catalogue. Wowza.
Bores have been offset to unshroud the valves, it's grout filled.
Not a bad way to make 200 horsepower.
Oh, 360, thank you. with non-cross flow head and a distributor.
There you go, there you go. No, hats off, man, it's nice.
Thanks.
Nice car, beautiful. Bye, girls. Bye.
Show's over.
Gav wanted to put a VQ on the Hako, but Al decided him not to.
I guess if he's only looking for 400 horsepower, it might have been a good option.
Thanks, Timmy. Thanks for coming.
Thanks, man.
See you, man.
See you later.